Do you guys see what's happened here? First of all, yes, my voice is gone. But what's more important is we've done the same thing we did with the Supra. We bought 2 of those and we figured, why not buy 2 of these? Well, I was looking forward to telling you the real story about this car. I know we didn't buy it, but my voice is going. So I'm just gonna hand it off here to Peter, who's gonna take over. His voice is slightly better than mine, so jump in there, Pete.
Yeah, my voice is still bad, but we do have a cold, both of us. Yes. And just for the record, I did get mine from my daughter, who goes to nursery school, and she's always sick now. Yes. Fun times having young kids. Anyways, the car here that we have is not our car, just as Dave mentioned. This is actually one of our fans, Scott, and he has brought it by because I'm going to be taking the side skirts off of it. If you guys remember in a previous video, we had the Shine Auto side skirts, the JDM ones, and I put a call out and said, hey, if anyone's got some that they're selling, let me know. And lo and behold, Scott brought us a car and he said, you know what, if you can take them off for me, you know, you can have them. By have them, we still do have to pay for them, of course. He'd be crazy to give them to us for free. Anyways, I've talked too much already. So Scott, why don't you come in here real quick, give us a rundown, first of all, as to why you are selling side skirts or selling us these side skirts, because
super rare.
Yeah, thank you, by the way.
No problem, no problem. I'm Scott. I'm not sick yet, but things might go differently after I leave this today.
Yeah.
Sorry, buddy.
So yeah, I'm selling some side skirts. Gonna go with a different theme for the car this year, and I thought, who better to buy/take those off for me would be PT.
Yeah. This is a sweet score for us. And how long have you had this car, man? It's really nice. I love the red. Personally, I like red better than black.
Yeah, I've had this thing for about 10 years now.
Why don't we just pop the hood real quick? We'll just give you guys a quick rundown of it because, you know, I'm sure you're curious to kind of see what is done to it. We'll let Dave go for a ride with his hoarse voice so he can laugh like a schoolgirl and entertain you guys after this. But like most Rotaries, it is a single turbo.
Single turbo, aftermarket. It's a 2-rotor engine. It's street ported, making 420 horsepower on the dyno, and we drew it back to about 385 just for some street use.
Yeah. That's like the sweet spot for these, right? But really, what I want to look at is the rear wing here, because this is a reminiscent of a 99 spec wing.
Yeah, I thought it was.
But it is not. It's like a little bit taller, a little bit longer. What is this?
Yeah, so this is a Euro wing. They came from Japan. It sits flush all through the trunk deck. And yes, it does sit higher. Does block out some vision in the back, as you can probably tell. But yeah, just a little different flair.
It's rad, man. It's super cool. Like the line of it. Certainly, just like I said, it just seems like it's just a bigger 99 spec wing, and just like the way it covers everything, it's so 90s, so cool.
Well, since I can't do a lot of talking today, I guess I'm going to do some actual work for a change. So
I just figured it would be all on you if you did crumple Scott's frame rail here. Right? So
I am.
Just be gentle here.
I am on a pinch weld, so
look at this dual jack setup.
Oh yeah. So very pro.
Let's just admit we were too lazy to go to the
quick check.
Yeah.
Scotty, buddy. Tuner nuts.
Oh, those are the nice ones.
Are they? Are these the good ones?
And look how nice and sleek they are.
They are sleek.
He's got the long studs.
They are.
They tuck in. It looks good.
Let me reevaluate.
You know, we do have lug nuts here that we can give him if you hate them so much.
I think we got to upgrade these.
These are like my favorite Enki wheels of all time.
Are they?
You know that? Yeah.
More than RPF ones?
Yes.
Really?
NTO3Ms.
Yeah.
I think they were like the de facto wheel, and he's got the right offset here.
I've never seen them on an FD before, but they look awesome on this car.
They're so rad.
They're really cool. And yeah, he's got the offset perfect. it's aggressive, but it's not like trash your fenders
What was
aggressive.
it, 18 by 9.5 or 9?
9.5 in the front.
Yeah.
9.5 front, 10.5
Plus
rear.
40
Plus
up
40
front.
and plus 30 in the rear.
Yeah.
Thought I was doing all the work, BT. What's going on?
Well, I think Scotty doesn't trust. He doesn't trust your work here, and he's worried that you may screw up his car. So.
Yeah, that could be what it is.
But we do have a problem. This bolt here is the end of it. I think is like rounded or stripped inside, so it's not actually coming out. It's just spinning around and around here. That's not a good sign.
Nothing up front I can't fix.
Yeah, I guess. But you know what's weird? These are like they're made out of a foam, like a rubbery foam, man.
Really?
Yeah, it's not. Once I get them off, I'll show you. But yeah, it's like a look. You can kind of like push on them.
Huh.
It's like a weird foam.
The plot has thickened.
I mean, this is par for the course. He's probably been on the car since new.
I think we've been outsmarted here, Peter. Let's admit it. If he sold it to anybody else, he would have had to remove them himself.
Maybe, yeah.
He's like, I don't want to do that.
Yeah. No, it's the bolt is it's like almost goes into a riv nut style insert, and of course it's spinning because it's rusted. So what I think I'm gonna do is like heat it up, peel this all back, and then maybe we can like get in there and either chop that bolt or bend it out and do something about it. But you can see this foam is cracking when I start moving it. You can see up here, I don't know if you can see this here, I'll get the light, but so when I move it here, the paint is cracking on the foam. See? You can see it? Like,
Oh, yeah.
it's almost like breathing there, yeah. So, and of course, this is where you want the 3M or whatever double-sided tape they used back in the day to like peel off easily, but it doesn't. It doesn't because it's the good stuff from back in the 90s. So I'm just gonna heat this up a little bit more and then let's see if I can peel it. This is getting pretty serious here. Man, they just use so much double-sided tape, and this being rubber, it kind of just doesn't, look at it, like, look at, it's weird. It's like creasing the paint on it and deflecting it. And to think we have this whole other side here that's gonna be covered in this. This is gonna be
This would be a 10-minute job.
yeah,
It's
well,
gonna be a 2-hour job.
That's exactly how it goes. We didn't slot enough time into the day to do this.
I told you he outsmarted us, Peter.
It's crazy. It's like the whole thing is glued on here.
He doesn't want to leave the car.
I know, it's like, I don't, oh man. And look, I've like spider cracked all of the paint. Hopefully Richie can work his magic on here, but man, I still can't get the backside. Oh
yeah. I hear it.
Like you can see, there's so much of this like glue on here. Let's see. Oh, there's the tape. And then here's that one stud that was just gonna unfortunately wreck this here. Oh, look at this. That is it. Holy smokes.
Give it a squeeze.
Yeah, like
Show the people.
look at this thing. Yeah, well look.
Weird, eh?
Look at the paint. I mean, is this better than fiberglass? Like, what, are we doing ourselves a service here?
I don't know.
But yeah, like look at all of the. I don't know. I assume this is all from the factory.
Seems
But
excessive.
It does seem excessive, like 2 slabs of 3M. And look at this is that little damn bolt that's stuck. So all it does is spin. Sorry, not coming out.
We'll live there
Oh,
forever.
you have to take the
unbolt.
fender off. I think so. Anyways, yeah, it is time to do the big boy here now. So watch us suffer times 10 here. All right, we got ourselves a technique here, as you can see.
Oh yeah.
Scotty's pulling this, and I got the blade in here to cut the top. But look at the cracks happening on the foam. Like if this was just harder plastic or something, it wouldn't crease or deform as much, and it would like let go. I feel like the tape would let go first, but it doesn't. And we just gotta sit here and just kind of hacksaw this thing. Anyways, guys, post in the comments if you've done this job before and if you know whether this is an OEM install or not. Okay, that is all the double-sided tape here. Oh, but it doesn't want to give because those bolts from below.
Crazy.
It is crazy. There's like more tape on the bottom here that I think we gotta peel up now and get that to crack off. Wow. So not only did they use 3M tape or double-sided tape up here, but it's also down here, and it's too hot now. Damn it! I've been having to like peel it back here too. This just continues to get better and better. So you can see here, there's the double-sided tape that runs all the way around. There's that freaking bolt that I mangled because it's stripped in there. And then, look at this, there's just like a weird, a bolt that's built into the side skirt, but then it gets even worse here. So we're trying to like pull this off. So we've got the double-sided tape off, but look, there's like more glue or something in the middle here.
Yeah, it looks like caulking adhesive or something.
It's like oh my God, man.
Seam sealer? Or
yeah, it's like, it's tearing.
Oh, wow, it's tearing the foam. Yeah, you're right.
Look at this stuff. I don't know. I don't even know what it is. It's like clear sealer of sorts. And oh my God. Maybe I'll use this. Like you can't even poke through it, man. Look at it. It's hard as a rock. But there it goes. It's like once it kind of undoes a little bit, it goes. There it goes. You can see like, but it's yeah, it's everywhere. Another stud here to clear. Oh my God.
Victory.
We did it. Look at this.
If anyone wants to sign up for a second Patreon.
Yeah, right?
For
Man,
my car.
Yeah, this car is gonna need like a full paint job after this. Oh my God, man. Whoa, this is, yeah, like this stuff here, look at it. It's kind of like, it's malleable, but I don't know what this is. It does not want to come off. There's a ton of it. Yeah, like what is this? It's certainly like some
1-year-old magic
look at
tape.
it. It's some type of glue.
It is
for sure.
glue.
It's like an adhesive or glue, man.
Well, Scotty's going medieval on his car here. Just pulling those out.
I did not want to do this, and he's like, they gotta come out. But like, oh my God, look at him. Oh, that's gotta be factory, man.
Yeah, it's like a dentist pulling a molar out there.
I know, look at this thing. Holy crap. No wonder they're like frozen in there. Look at this design.
Well, we went to the stash and we found some Dorman lug nuts in this really cool like titanium finish, which I think is gonna look really good on here. And more importantly, they're like a nice heavy duty steel lug nut. So if you go to the racetrack, they're not gonna crack or fatigue the way those tuner nuts can, because the tuner nuts have such a thin wall to them. They're fine on the street, but at the track they can crack and actually fail on you. So with Scotty thinking about taking this car to the track, figured now's a good time to give him a quick upgrade. And you know, I feel a little bad. I was teasing him about his tuner nuts, and you shouldn't tease another man about his nuts unless you got plans to like give him an upgrade.
I saw that one coming from
It was
a mile
coming.
away.
I set myself up and I went for it.
Did.
Don't worry, everyone. Our Milwaukee gun only goes to 75 foot-pounds on setting number 1 here, so I'm not over torquing it by hitting it with the full jam in this setting.
This is the first time in a long time that I've actually seen these open-ended lug nuts actually, you know, have a stud coming
passing
through.
through,
So,
yeah.
And they look pretty good, man.
You look good. Yeah, it's coming. Jesus.
Look at it, it's fresh paint underneath. I took the paint off on this
On
one.
this, yeah, that's where it came off.
Once it goes in one spot,
Yeah, you can peel from there.
yeah, and then the foam doesn't rip.
Yeah, I know, it's rugged stuff.
It's crazy, man. Like, I've never, ever seen anything like this. Oh. Okay, it's there. What is last? Success again. Wow, that was way quicker.
Well, that was a lot more work than I think any of us expected.
That was real life.
That was real
about
life.
as real life as it gets.
Yeah, it was intense.
Scotty said he was coming down. He said, you know what, we're going to come down. I thought we're going to get this done.
Half an hour,
take
they'll
him
be off, go for a drive.
You can experience the rotary goodness, and instead, this is what happened.
Nope, we lost 2 hours of our life to this, but it is kind of cool seeing what these are made of. Like, I don't think any of us, well, obviously Scott knew, but Pete and I weren't expecting this to be like this high density foam stuff, but they're off. Whoever glued it on here did not want them to come off, but we triumphed in the end, didn't we, guys? So well done, everyone, and sorry we won't have time to go for a drive, but it's getting dark out, and frankly, we don't want to breathe any more germs onto Scott than we already have. So thank you very much for bringing your car out. We appreciate it.
Yeah, good seeing you guys.
Thanks for passing on some hand-me-downs, and we look forward to
Yeah,
seeing the car
good
when
luck
it's
fixing
freshened
this
up.
thing, because holy smokes, look at this.
You have some work to her.
You've got some work cut out for you there,
You
man.
do.
That's going to be, I kind of feel like that's going to be a body job problem, right?
A body shop problem,
right?
Yeah.
That's going to be a lot of work to peel all that glue off of there.
Once we get our FD built and Scotty has his built, we'll meet at the track. We'll do rotary things,
And one will blow up.
and one will blow up, and we'll commiserate. And hopefully we won't be sick when that happens. So thanks again, Scott. We appreciate it.
Yeah.
And thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one.